Dang, you guys are spoiled. This is the third video this week.
Do I press the square?
Making YouTube videos is tough work. I really don't have a video idea. No idea for this video. Not one. So why is there this video? Well, I wanted to get you guys a third video this week, but I have no video idea. I have no video idea. A crumple, a crumple, a crumple, a crumple. A crumple, a crumple, a crumple, crumple, a crumple, a crumple, a crumple, crumple, crumple. Welcome to Randomness. This is a new series I'm calling Randomness. Who knows what's gonna happen? But I do know this. It's gonna be random.
Welcome to Matthew's newest series. What's it called again?
Cats always forget their lines. Get a dog instead. Get that food out of your mouth. You can't speak like that. I said, welcome to Matthew's newest series, Random Something. Alright, well, I guess that works. I guess you can't trust any animals to be in a video.
Matthew told me I have to apologize for messing up the lines. So, here I am. I'm sorry for messing up the lines.
You better make the dog do this too, because I do not want to be the only one. This apologizing thing, I am not used to it, and I don't like it, and I hate that you make me act like a little girl, and you make me so angry sometimes.
Anyway, as I was saying, I'm just really sorry, okay? I don't know how to make it up to you, but I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Alright, as you can see, he's sorry. She's sorry. She. Matthew said that I had to apologize too. I'm sorry that I forgot my lines too. And I'm sorry that I had food in my mouth at the beginning of the video. I am sincerely sorry. Matthew, since I apologize now, will you give me that food? I deserve it now. Sure. Here you go. Stupid dog! Yeah! Now, that's a bad dog. Hopefully, you don't have a dog like that, because that's extremely bad. Oh no, please no. What are you doing? It's laying on me. It's turning towards me. It's climbing up my shoulder. What are you doing? I'm so confused. Playing peekaboo? This is my YouTube channel now. Yahoo!
Wow!
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.